The machining of raw castings is done in a dedicated machining cell. These dedicated cells are made up of conventional machines and special processing equipment, including electronic discharge machine, or EDM, welding, and fluorescent penetrate inspection, FPI. EDM creates fuel passageways, which then need plug welded. FPI is a non-destructive inspection process ensuring a quality weld. The entire casting is then pressure checked for leaks. Turnaround time is 1 week from the raw casting to the finished product ready for shipment directly to the customer. Goodrich employs quality inspection using standards and methods developed by Goodrich, ISO, and other customer requirements, continually striving to find the best practice method to assure quality. AS 9100, the aerospace quality standard, requires variable data for every dimension on the part, not just attribute or go-no-go data. This requires more meaningful measuring methods than in the past and has contributed to Goodrich providing a higher quality product that fits and performs right the first time, every time. These gauges used to capture the measurements may include variable thread gauges, variable internal diameter gauges, and any other gauges that provide an actual readout of size. These results help hold tolerances in greater control, virtually eliminating form, fit, and function errors commonly associated with complex parts, and facilitates the use of statistical process control. Goodrich employs many technology tools to perform accurate measurements and assure part quality and integrity. Coordinate measuring machines, CMM, are able to quickly and effectively provide information related to a feature's size, position on the part, and any other applicable tolerances required for fit or function. This tool employs a highly sensitive probe in combination with automatic programs which provide detailed analysis of the critical features, ensuring that parts are within tolerances. The sensitivity of the CMM is within 40 millionths of an inch, with calculations of size and position accuracies of 1/10,000th of an inch. Machined hardened components come together in the assembly area of the test room. All nozzles must meet customer requirements, which are found in specification books located in the test cell. The Auxiliary Power Unit, APU, is the engine in the tail of the plane. This unit produces power while on the ground when the main engines are not operating. This power is used for various functions, including the cabin lights, service call buttons, radios, TVs, and air circulation. APUs can also be used to assist the main engines in starting. Duplex nozzles, which consist of primary and secondary flow passageways, are also tested and shipped from Carroll facility. These passageways are expertly polished and calibrated to meet customer requirements. The tip components are assembled for testing. This assembly requires pressure testing along with reflow testing to ensure all customer requirements are fulfilled. Pressure testing is performed to ensure no fuel is leaking between the tip and support. Heavy fuel testing is performed to simulate high-altitude restarts, making sure fuel can atomize in a gel form. Carroll is a VPP STAR site under the Iowa OSHA Voluntary Protection Program. This voluntary program involves employees and plant leadership working together to develop and live by strict ergonomics and safety program requirements, which have been developed by employees. There is a high involvement in committees that include ergonomics, safety awareness, first aid, and a devoted safety team. For example, over 35% of the employees are certified on the in-house defibrillator and 100% are CPR certified. Here at Goodrich, our focus is to prevent all accidents and injuries before they ever happen. Safety priorities include soft floor mats for everyone to stand on, reduces fatigue and slips. Protective guards covering tool racks, reducing unexpected cuts. Each area is evaluated to ensure the workplace is maintaining proper safeguards. All the workstations are ergonomically designed. They move to fit each individual employee from very short to very tall, reducing the possibility of repetitive type injuries in awkward positions, such as carpal tunnel. Operators use pneumatic air grinders that are variably controlled by foot pedals. A central vacuum takes away the dust while they are performing their work. All microscopes are mounted to fully adjustable work tables and stands to ensure the operator can use them at a comfortable height. Goodrich has competed in the National Ergo Cup competition and was a finalist in the event. Goodrich Turbine Fuel Technologies remains a cost-competitive choice because of the extensive continuous improvement and lean efforts. These efforts include employing personnel that are certified Six Sigma Black Belt and lean practitioners. The goal is to have these trained individuals lead lean events such as Six Sigma experiments, Kaizen events, value stream mapping, 5S audits, TPM or total preventive maintenance, one-piece flow, root cause corrective actions, and implementing lean techniques to improve efficiency. Ongoing training continues to add to the number of certified leaders. Goodrich TFT believes it is important to stay a leader in the industry for certifications in all areas of the business. These include ISO 9001 certification, AS-9100 certification, U.S. Military MIL-I 45208, and VPP StarSite. These certifications are issued by global networks that identify the international standards that are required by business, government, and manufacturers. Standards are developed in partnership with these sectors. For example, ISO standards specify the requirements for state-of-the-art products, services, processes, materials, and systems, as well as identifying recommended managerial and organizational best practices. Goodrich is a progressive company that makes customer satisfaction and on-time delivery their main focus. Goodrich has built a tradition of quality and overall part value that has made them a global leader in aerospace technology. Power is control. Power is knowledge. Power is fuel. Power is responsibility. That's Turbine Fuel Technologies.